My people, come closer. Yes, you, closer. Lend me your listening ears, because what I'm about to say will save you from stress, embarrassment, and lifelong wahala. Have you ever spent hours filming, editing, uploading, praying, only for YouTube to say video removed due to violation of community guidelines, demonetized, strike, channel terminated? Or have you felt like quitting YouTube, like YouTube has it in for you, striking your channel, deleting your live swore all in one snap like Thanos? Or maybe you have poured your heart into videos, thumbnails, titles, only for YouTube to reply with the letter of doom? The machale is not funny. Fam, if you have been there or fear getting there, then you have clicked the right video at the right time. And if you have never been there, keep watching, because YouTube doesn't pity ignorance. Hi, amazing YouTubers, new, small, and rising. Welcome to Learn with Eljoe, where confusion melts like ice under the sun, where education means elevation, content means clarity, and legends are born. I am Geoffrey Philimo, but feel free to call me Eljoe or Professor Eljoe. I am your seasoned teacher, your YouTube guide, your modern day YouTube Moses, sent not with a style, but with truth, tips, and timeless wisdom to lead creators and curious minds through the Red Sea, valleys, and desert of strikes, demonetization, and termination, straight to the promised land of blacks, paychecks, and purpose. This is Harvard with vibes. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon if you haven't. It gets why. Having done that, let's dive in. I want to be a YouTuber. I want to be a YouTuber. That is an awesome and brilliant idea. You want to be a YouTuber? I heard you loud and clear. You've got great ideas. You want to be as big as Mr. Beast, if not greater. And yes, you can and will become successful. But wait first, let me educate you. Becoming a YouTuber is not just vibes and ring lights. It's not just open Gmail, create channel, upload content, hit 1K subscribers and 4K public watch hours. No, 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 no. It is deeper than that, like African ancestry. Let me educate you further. The real source, the real deal, is obeying the YouTube's policies, community guidelines, terms of service, monetization rules, and many more. Because guess what? They are the sacred scrolls of the YouTube's kingdom. Disobey them and the algorithm god will smite your channel like thunder during raining season. There is an African proverb that says, a child who does not listen to advice will climb a tree and fall down with the branch. Forget what Mr. Beast and his billionaire gang are doing. They are already chilling in the YouTube's VIP lounge, but you are just entering into the arena. One wrong move and YouTube will ghost your channel faster than your ex after Valentine's Day. Seen it all, from back-to-back channel termination to rejection emails that hit harder than a breakup text at midnight. I cry literally like a baby who just lost their favorite cartoon channel. Over 5 channels gone like vapor. Why? Because I didn't fully understand YouTube's rules. But instead of giving up, I went back to school, YouTube school. I studied the terms of service, community guidelines, every hidden policy talked deep in their creator academy. I even pray over my uploads, and guess what? It works. I rebuilt from scratch. Some channels recovered. I got my first paycheck. I coach many successful creators today. Hope returned like light after a blackout. So now I've taken a vow to be your compass in this crazy YouTube's jungle. Make sure you don't fall into the traps I did, to break down rules like butter on hot yam. From my heart-earned experience, from strikes to channel termination, from happy uploads to sorrowful takedown, from heartbreak to policy and copyright school to rising again, From I didn't know to now I teach others. From zero to YouTube hero. I am here to help you for free. So fear not, fear no evil. Eljoe got you. You will learn how to behave on YouTube like a digital diplomat, how to obey YouTube rules step by step, how to dodge copyright and strikes like Neo in the Matrix, how to avoid termination like Ninja in the night, how to successfully appeal and regain a terminated channel, what to do, the do's and don'ts before and after hitting 1K subscribers and 4K public watch hours. As it may interest you, I don't just teach, I unwrap YouTube's hidden rules like birthday gifts, decode them like Da Vinci with a laptop, break down tough English grammars like collar knots, simplify complex topics like suya on a Friday night, and unwrap societal issues one layer at a time like sweet mysterious gift. Note, YouTube doesn't pity ignorance. Let me repeat for the people at the back. YouTube does not pity ignorance. Same with other platforms, even your toaster, right? If you want to shine here on YouTube, you have to play by the book. Follow who know roots. If not, you will contend with automated machines, fast but not always accurate. Human reviewers, they read, feel and decide. And user reports, anyone can report you, even confused aunties. African elder says, if war no fall, lizard no go enter, right? Don't give people a reason to report you. Behave. Let me educate you further. This channel is built on wisdom, as ancient as the Nile and as sharp as Lagos traffic in Seoul. As the elder says, he who asks questions never gets lost, right? So ask, learn, grow and glow. Furthermore, with every episode, I will bring catchy similes, flavor, flair, fire, and that unmistakable Eljoe magic to keep your brain dancing like shaku shaku at a wedding. Even kindergartner will understand my breakdowns. Whether you are a new creator struggling with low views, a veteran dodging algorithm arrows, or just a student hungry for wisdom like amala on a cold morning, this is not just a channel, it is a movement. A village of wisdom for hungry minds and rising creators. From Lagos to London, from Africa to America, from Asia to the rest of the world, I am your plug. So grab your sandals, your scroll, your notebook and your dreams, because class is in section and greatness is just one subscribe away. Subscribe to learn with Eljoe so you never miss an update from the University of YouTube Wisdom. You get why. Until next time, stay educated, stay smart, stay safe, and remember, ignorance is not an excuse, it is a trap. Knowledge is power and your currency, and Eljoe is your blood. If you know, you know. If you don't know, now you know. See you in the next video. This is Professor Eljoe signing off. Peace out.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.